show you the correct way to use a can opener. Most people put the can opener on the side of the can, in the top, like that. But when you cut it now, the edges are going to be sharp. What you're supposed to do, put it on top. The blade is supposed to be on the outside. Some can openers have the flat part here that helps. And then the blade goes on the outside. Got to get the blade underneath the rim and the gear on top. And then when it catches, then you should be able to turn it. It should cut the top of the can off instead of cutting a sharp edge. See, this isn't. See. If you found this video helpful, comment below and give it a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe.